Lit 2-in-1 liquid matte lipstick come in 12 duos and 24 shades. They look like this. They're really cute, very small as you can see. You can put it in your pocket, you can put it in your handbag. It's good for an evening out, and it's just easy to carry with you. So one of my favorites, Hot Mama. You can see it's like a little couple. You can open them, you can mix and match them. So the benefits are, it's a matte finish, it's smudge-proof, it's non-transferable, and it's kiss-proof. So you can have a long night out, you can eat, you can drink, you can party, you can do whatever you want, and it will stay on your lips. Matte lipstick, you have to make sure that your lips are in good condition. Make sure it's really good hydrated, so moisturize it really well. And make sure that there's no excess skin on the lips or it's not cracked, so you have to scrub it before and then moisturize it. And then when you use the matte liquid lipstick, you get a really nice smooth finish. So make sure when you apply it that when you take it out, you have the most product on your applicator. So you use the center of your lip, or you apply it on the center of the lip, then you spread it outwards and fill in the rest. So if you do want to remove your matte lipstick at the end of the day, you use an oil-based remover on a pad. You soak your lips for 3 seconds and it comes off much easier. So what I love about this product is it comes in 2 shades. You can wear one during the day, one during the night. You can upgrade it, you can make it look a little different. And if you're really creative, you can do an ombre lip. That means you use the lighter shade in the center and the darker shade on the outside. And by the way, it's cruelty-free and not tested on animals.